Alright, so far so good, yeah? You can see that the powder has dissolved and the solution here is better than the first one we did. Alright? So stir it one more time. Stir it one more time. I want you to see. Rebecca, I hope you understand. Yes. Okay. So now, with this oil now, you can use this oil to make any of those effective body lotion or face cream, because the oil itself is a very effective oil. Coupled with the powders we said earlier, like the mycin powder, the thiamidol powder, and the white powder as well. All right. So in other words, if you know that it takes you time before your powder dissolve, then use the previous solution we said. Use that one. All right. So if you are stirring this, if you are stirring this solution, make sure you use the only powder, which is the Q one, inside this. Do not add the other one, the Lota. If you add that Lota powder, it might really, how will I put it? It might get hot and even break this thing. Are you getting me? So please have this in mind. Whatever you do not understand, always ask. And this making it the day 3 that you guys have been with us, and we've made a lot of previous lotions and oils and face cream as well. So tomorrow we'll be doing the body wash. Okay. So if there's any question, please feel free to ask. And I understood that your mom actually told me that I should make sure you've been exposed to the materials. So tomorrow, by the grace of God, we'll be going to the lab, to make sure we use some of those materials to work. Are you getting it? And also now one at the US. When I know they see all this, materials. So those materials, we will ship them for you. We have them here. Seriously, we have them here. So no problem. So this is a very effective whitening oil. All right. You can use this to make any face cream. You can use it on your skin direct. It has no side effects. Okay. So whatever you do not understand, I want you to go over it, jot them down by tomorrow class. I don't want to add you to those other group, because those people, they are more or less of UK people on the US. Are you getting it? So, and the money you paid, is quite different from what they pay. Okay, so that makes it a different class for owner, and they are in a large number. Okay, so whatever you do not understand, make us know so that we can explain further. Like this oil, I just said that you can give it any name. You see now, you can know. What did you notice? If you notice, the oil, the whole of the oil is cold now, but it's should I say slipping, because it's thick. All right, but the moment I said drop, this is water, but because of the powder, if you drop this water now, the moment you drop it, tomorrow we'll do that. You will see it will turn this. All right, yeah, that's how you know it will turn. It will be plain and crystal clear like this. All right, that's how you know a good what is it called, oil. And don't forget that we use almond oil. So people, you can use any kind of oil. The powders we use matters a lot. Some people might use abutin, some might use Snow White, different powders. But these powders, I call them coded powder because I don't expose them. That's why your mom said I should give you Thailand powder. I call it Thailand powder because we always buy them from Thailand. All right. So tomorrow class will be very, very massive and busy, but I just want to use this medium of time to appreciate you all that, as a matter of fact, being with us is a very good memory also. And whatever you do not understand, make sure you ask us any question you want to ask. So this is the class. Is there any question?
Yes, sir. So you've been talking about a lot of products, and I really learned a lot from them.
Yes.
But what I don't really understand is the mycin powder. So what is mycin powder?
Okay, this is mycin. Actually, yes, mycin. Okay, this, we have a niacinamide powder. All right. We have alpha-butin. All right. We have all these powder. There are other names like alpha butane you see, some people don't know. Alpha butane is still known as hydroquinone powder, but people don't know. You understand? So this mycin powder is still equivalent to niacinamide powder, vitamin B powder. Are you getting it? Okay. So is there any question?
Yes.
Okay.
Also the patient.
All right.
That's Yamadol powder.
Okay, the thiamidol powder. Okay. So what's your question? You want to know more about it? Now, thiamidol powder is one of the strongest powder on earth. Now, let me put it that way, because even some product that they produce right now, they call them thiamidol product. All right, and it's mostly being used in the US. All right, it's mostly being used in the US, but it's very low amount, a very low percent of it, because the powder is very effective. I don't want to use the word strong, because a lot of people use the word strong, and it scare people. Like, as I said earlier, that this product that you've just made is very strong. It's not strong, it's rather it's very effective. Products that are strong would cause or damage to the skin. So let's not use the word strong. All right. So that thiamidol powder is a very effective whitening powder. All right. After thiamidol powder, I think it's white powder, which we've used that one before. White powder and also male white powder. This powder, they are combination of other hybrid powder. They are not chemical. All right. They are made from some roots, but they are very effective. Mostly that thiamidol powder. Any product that you use thiamidol for, if you use it, know that that product is a whitening product. So or else the person don't want to use any whitening product. Well, I've given you all the percentage, the calculations, what you need to know when you're mixing already. So when you follow those formula, what we'll be doing is, I will be doing missing. No, we'll be doing measurement from the kitchen down to this point. We'll be doing measurement. All right. And so don't let them downgrade you. What you know is what you know. In the Western world, like places like America, like UK, Europe, they don't even like whitening. That's why when you send whitening from here that to that way, they will always want to ban them. All right. So they don't even like whitening because they are some of them are white already, so they feel like it's bleaching and all that. So, but it's not bleaching. Are you getting it? There's difference between bleaching, there's difference between whitening, there's difference between lightening, brightening, and glowing. You see, moisturizing. But these vendors, a lot of vendors don't know about that. Are you getting it? So I would really want us to take a break. Let's go have our lunch. We'll come back, for the class to continue the class. Is that okay? Yes. This is Nigeria. This is Nigeria. It is what it is. Thank you. All right.